So far so good, looking nice. Now for the part that gave us so much trouble. Those are the gold connectors. And just like that, it pops right into place. Finally, we're starting to finish, and it's starting to look like a normal phone now. So, by the way, this little wire that was giving us trouble earlier, that one, it turns out it clicks twice. Press it down once, you think it's connected, it's not. Press it down more, it clicks twice. No wonder it kept on disconnecting on me. And now for the last part, the battery port. But I still have 4 screws, so let me go find out what those screws are for. Be right back.